Okay, hi, this is Miss Brown with a lesson on amphibians. If you'll please go to your chart to the fourth column where it says amphibians. Underneath that it says double life, and I want you to write water and land because that's what amphibious means, or amphibians. It means both water and on land. So write that in. Also remember, you can always stop everything and start again if you need to. All right, examples of amphibians: frog, toad, and salamander. Habitat, of course, is water to land. For appendages, we have 4 legs on this animal. The body cover has a moist skin, and the toads are dry and warty. And the head and mouth, wide mouth, eyelids, and nostrils. Respiration, there's gills in the young and the lungs in the adult, and they also can breathe through their skin. Now, the heart changes as it grows. There are 2 chambers in the young, and they have single loop circulation. And there are 3 chambers in the adults. They have 2 atria and 1 ventricle, and double loop circulation like you. And their body temperature is ectothermic, which again, you would call that cold-blooded. Okay, the skeleton is made of bone and cartilage. Fertilization is external. She will lay the eggs and he deposits sperm. Development is water to land. The eggs must be in water, then they can come on land when they're adults. Special adaptations are tympanum. They actually have a little eardrum. They don't have ears like you, but they have an eardrum on the side of their head. And we'll be seeing that in the dissection. Their special adaptations, they have coloration and camouflage to hide them. They also can be dormant, they hibernate, and they can estivate, which means they can actually burrow up in the mud until conditions are better, and then come back out when things can support life again. Thank you. All right, that's it. That one's done.